Hello everyone, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and a quick walkthrough of this Fujihama pressure washer. Open the box. Specifications of this pressure washer are: power is 1200 watts, 220 kilovolts, carbon brush motor, rated pressure is 70 bar, up to 100 bars, and inlet pressure is there. Rated flow is 5.5 liter per minute. Water temperature max 50 degrees Celsius. Water protection and weight is there. All right. And then okay. Naka-record yan.
Yeah.
So these are not necessarily mean, this doesn't necessarily mean these are included, so these are optional accessories, and you can see there. Okay, I think some of them are in the back, so we'll see later. So this is how it looks like, the picture, and these are the standard accessories. Yeah, the standard. You have the spray gun, the adjustable spray nozzle, the high pressure hose, and then the water inlet, quick connect, disconnect. Yeah, there. So you have the bottle for the soap, I believe. The quick connect accessories right here. This looks like a filter. Strainer and another strainer. I don't know how it works yet, so it's just the quick connect, disconnect. Okay. Holder. Extra. It's free. And this is the gun. The pressure hose. Yeah. I think it's about 5 meters or so. Yeah. And yeah, standard accessories. Yeah, the nozzles there. You have the power cable, of course, and the inlet hose. All right. So let's put that away. Now let's open the pressure washer. So here's the pressure washer. So the on and off switch, like so, and I think this is the outlet nozzle. Yeah, this is where you put the nozzle. I mean the hose, the pressure hose, and this is for the inlet. Then it says there the rating again, which we have already read. All right. All right. Good job, Caleb.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boss.
All right. So we have the user manual, and it has this interesting wire. I don't know what it is for. And you have screws, I believe, for assembling. So I'll read this first, and then yeah. So we have 3 holders here. One of this goes to the one of the side there. Then the other one goes here. No, I think it's the other way around. Oh, yeah, like that. And this one, the shorter one, goes through here. Yeah, it should latch on. And then the third one goes at the back, and that's where you need the 2 screws. So this is for the supply, water supply. So to assemble it, do it like this, and you tighten it. And then if you get supply from like a bucket, you can use this hose. I mean this strainer here, or if not, you simply use another one like this. Like so, and tighten it. So this is now the power for the water supply. Okay, and then depending on the connection that you have, you can either use this one, or in our case, we already have an existing like this one, so we don't actually use this one. This one here is a strainer. It goes into here, so like that. Okay. And it will attach to this, like so. Like that. So it's sturdy. Okay. And this now goes to the water supply source. Okay, so that's assembled. And by the way, we have attached it already. Okay, put it aside. So we don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, and this is when you need to have a soap, right? Spray.
Yes.
And how do you attach this color? Anyway, I don't know yet. You can study that later. And for the gun, okay, this is the hose for the pressurized water. Output. Okay, goes here. Okay, what you need to do is push this and do the same. Yeah, do the same. It's either way. It should be fine. Yeah. Go. And the other end goes to here. Right there. So this gun is rated, see the release, rated at 140 bar or 1.4 or 14 megapascal is the same. Yeah. And I'm being bitten by mosquitoes. Okay, push that and yes. So you have no gun ready, but it's not ready yet. So we need this is the nozzle, yeah. As you adjust, yeah. Like that. So we need this one first. And can you go like this? No caliber, right?
No.
So we need to attach this first. And you rotate. And there you go. And then this nozzle. So there's actually a release button here. You press. And then it secures firmly. So this is now the gun. Yeah. The nozzle. So all we need to do now is to connect this one into a water supply. But to make it easy, I think what we'll need to do, Caleb, is we'll get a bucket of water so we can have a demo there outside. Alright, so like this one. Alright, let's get a bucket of water. This bottle here is for the soap, and to connect it to the gun, you simply push it in like that. Although ito kita, the other way. No, here, like this. Like that, and clap, it clap. So, when you have soap inside, yeah, the like a carburetor action, as the water passes through here, some of the soap will get sucked and it will be blown together with the water, sprayed with the water. Okay, this gun is equipped with the safety locking mechanism right there, lock and unlock. So right now it's open. So if you want to secure it, you put it to the lock position like so. Yeah, open. All right. So we are now ready with this setup. All right. But first, let's connect the. Caleb, I'm ready.
Yeah.
It's all connected.
Yeah.
It's powered, and let's turn this on. Alright, there's one problem. It's not primed. So we need to okay, now let's turn this on. It's actually equipped with automatic on-off mechanism there. So there's no water, if you're not pressing this and there's no pressure going out, it will turn off. So to adjust the flow, you simply turn this one. quite fun. You wanna try it, Caleb?
No.
Oh, you wanna try? There's a gun. Oh, here. Diretso mo lang. What do I think? So what do we think with this pressure washer? Yeah, it's quite good. It's highly recommended. The pressure is very good, simple to use, simple to operate, and it's quite cheap actually. We bought this for how much is it? About $3,000, 3,000 pesos. So that's about 60 US dollars here in Manila. All right, thank you.